Welcome to Adelaide. Tonight we're at Hilton Hotel to celebrate 2025 Education and Community Leaders Friendship and Dialogue Iftar Dinner. We have some guests with us tonight and we will be asking some questions to them.
Well, of course, these events by the McYESS Foundation and Pinnacle College are incredibly important because they open the door to invite people in to understand what Ramadan is, what an Iftar dinner is, and those questions can be answered. And what it does is to really make sure that there aren't any barriers to people understanding the importance of Ramadan, but also the connection and what it actually means to the wider community.
I've been involved in Iftar dinners since I became president of Multi-Faith, which was 8 years ago. So in Multi-Faith, when we can, we help celebrate each other's important times of the year. There's something very special about breaking bread together in the Christian faith. I'm a Buddhist, but being together in each other's company over a meal and in that free conversation that comes with sharing a meal together, I think really builds friendships.
I have 2 children and I want them to live in a world that's peaceful, that's loving. I want them to look after each other. I want them to treat the strangers like they're their own brother, their own sister. And dinners like Iftar will raise consciousness. We're all one people, we're all on this earth together. And so the Iftar dinner is so important.
I think by bringing people together from diverse walks of life, different faiths and backgrounds, to be in each other's company, I find that often the events that Dr. Aslan creates have time to talk with each other, but also a lot of time to enjoy movement, dance, conversation and speeches from the front. So it's a good experience.